We feel very exciting because despite that, the emergency does not go down well with us. The emergency rule does not go down well with us. But since it has been lifted by the president, we are very grateful unto God for the reinstatement of our governor. Our expectation is high, high, and high. Why? Projects, granted. Empowerment, granted. Everywhere is hunger in River State. So as the governor has come back, has been reinstated, hey, the governor is not going to sleep till further notice, until all these expectations are met. He showed us good governance, and he catch our hearts. Look at the excitement. Look at the mobilization. Some people may say, hey, these people were bought and bought. Can you bought somebody? You can't. This is an organic love given to the governor by the people of River State because of whom he is. Therefore, that is why we mobilize. Since yesterday, we are here waiting for him, and he finally has arrived. So our expectation is very high. High, waiting in all ramifications. He has to fulfill all. Not one, not two, not three, not four, until Rivers people are fully satisfied.
I can tell you that from the look of things, everybody sees what happened between yesterday and today, that it is massive. Rivers people have spoken. This is the man they voted for, and this is the man they are welcoming back home. You can see that there is nothing has happened in this state for this whole time. From today, Rivers State will begin to work again. So I implore everybody to be understanding, knowing that this man, our governor, is a very peaceful man and is going to be with us for the next 7 years. 7 years, first and second term, complete. Thank you very much.
Police Moji Kabana. What has been done? All my people love our chairman. Where? What am I doing?
Last chance.